Today's workout is going to be a 10-minute walking video. It's going to be first of many videos in the Winter Arc series. We're going to start out slow and then gradually work our way up. We're going to start with 10 minutes for the first week, and then as time progresses, probably by the end of December, we'll be at either 30 minutes, 45 minutes, or an hour, depending on how everything goes. So today we're going to start it off with walking, kind of like a full body workout, as well as walking, and you can do this inside, you can do this in your apartment. It doesn't matter. If you have very tiny space, you can do that in your bedroom or wherever you have the space to walk and move around a little bit. So without further ado, let's get started on our first video for the Winter Arc.
Didn't mean those things, I'm sorry. Doesn't matter anyway. We've been here one time too many. Wonder what will happen next. We both know that this ship's going down. Let's get off and leave before we drown. There's nothing left for us to say, 'cause we'll see through. There's nothing left for us to say, 'cause we'll see through. 'Cause we'll see through. We promised that nothing would break us, that we'd always find a way. When all was said and dust had settled, something didn't feel the same. We both know that this ship's going down. Let's get off and leave before we drown. There's nothing left for us to say, 'cause we'll see through. Let's save ourselves the courtesies, 'cause we'll see through. We both know how this thing goes. Should I leave or should you? There's nothing left for us to say, 'cause we'll see through.
Trees aren't green, the ocean is gray, sky is a vague blue, come my way. My room is a mess, it could use a hand. My favorite TV shows are capturing. I know I must get it right, must get back in the fight. This can't be a surprise, I think I'll let it slide. I'm sleepwalking through all of my problems. I know I can't make it through. Every night it's the same. I keep running fast, left and right, wondering where my head's gone now. I'm sleepwalking through all of my problems. I know all of my problems. I know. Where did it go? The feeling of thirst, desire to be a rock in my heels. I'm numb as a poison, flows in my veins. Guess I got used to avoiding the pain. I know I must get it right, must get back in the fight. This can't be a surprise, I think I'll let it slide. bitter taste. I think I'll let it be.
I saw a light when you passed me by. The reason why I shine, you're the reason why. I thought I caught your eyes, the love is blind. I thought I saw you smile. I saw a light when you passed me by. The reason why I shine, you're the reason why. I thought I caught your eyes, the love is blind. I thought I saw you smile.
walking video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you hydrate and get all your steps in for the day of what is your goal. My goal for the winter arc is 15,500. So we just did a ton of steps here. Let me know in the comments below how many steps you did with this video. And if you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with some of your friends, and make sure to go subscribe so you can get the next 10-minute workout video for next week. I can't wait to see you in the next video. Thank you so much for joining and for watching this video. Bye!